In 2003, philosopher Nick Bostrom offered a compelling hypothetical scenario regarding the simulation argument and the nature of our universe. Behind door number 1 is a universe where humanity has never developed technology to the point that consciousness can exist on a computer, the assumption being that humanity will expire before this comes to pass. Door number 2 represents a universe where technology does evolve that far, but humanity chooses not to use it. This would be the most implausible situation, as humanity has never shied away from new technology and would surely continue to do so. And door number 3 represents a universe in which humanity eventually will develop and use said technology. This is widely regarded as the most likely outcome, allowing one to therefore assume that it has already happened, and that what you yourself are experiencing right now while watching this video isn't real, and that your thoughts are just lines of code. Fortunately, Professor David Kipping of Columbia University has a theory that might prove that we do, in fact, exist. Kipping's approach to the simulation argument allows one to calculate the probability of competing models while accounting for uncertainty. The two models Professor Kipping compares are the simulation hypothesis, door number 3, and the null hypothesis, door numbers 1 and 2, drawing the conclusion that there is an even chance that either outcome is true. However, Kipping's theory also shows that even behind door number 3, there is a small chance that we live in base reality, the real world, increasing the probability of the null hypothesis even further. Referring to his equation, Kipping states that one finds that the probability that we live in base reality is 1/2 plus this little extra term. Critically, that little extra term is always greater than 0. And so, this means the probability that we always live in base reality is greater than 50%. Kipping refers to universes that haven't spawned their own simulated universes as nulliparous, and our own universe's nulliparous nature leads to the same conclusion. If Paris universes were to continue spawning more universes, they would mostly end up being nulliparous. Therefore, we are still more than 50% more likely to live in a nulliparous base reality. So, in conclusion, it's slightly more likely that you are real. But if you ever feel that nihilistic dread return, just remember, I think, therefore I am. For Space TV News, I'm Vincent Caruso.